Good morning, Jerome Luis D'Souza.
Good morning to you.
You have become a landmark in Mandra Bazaar Road.
Yes.
Everybody wants to know about you.
Yeah, sure. I will. I'm recommending myself to you all that I am very happy over here. I have no family, no one. I am all alone, and I am helping my own self, begging and eating. No asking anyone.
But you are not taking drugs.
No, I stopped for last 6 months.
Okay. What were you taking?
Brown sugar.
Okay. How, how many years you took brown sugar?
Brown sugar minimum 32 years.
Wow. You never married?
No, I am a bachelor for lifelong.
Okay.
Till
You
my
want
death.
to only remain a bachelor.
I want to live a bachelor because God is not married. I'm not going to get married.
Okay. Then this side.
Yeah, I don't want to get married because Jesus is not married. He has given a child with his blessing and a child. That's how I don't want to get married. I am born to him.
You are Jesus' child.
Yeah. I'll die in his name only.
Okay.
I don't take anyone. 5 times
But
he survived
I don't think you will die.
Yeah, 5 times he survived me from my death.
Okay.
Jesus. From burning, my bedding, my only hair was burned. Second incident, stone fell. It fell at the side, but not on my chest, anything, or I would have been there only. Third time I lost my eyesight. For 2 months I was on the bed. Then I had the blood pressure, low blood pressure. They said you have to take care of yourself. Then too I didn't get.
Okay, tell me one thing about your legs. What is the problem with your legs?
The problem with my leg is I'm suffering from gangrene, and now it is cured. Almost come to heal. This is healed. I'm putting because of this rubber.
So what medicine are you taking?
Medicines I'm taking from Baba's place. From Baba. But they give me tablets.
Okay. Fuck.
Big head.
Just give a hand. So anyway, Jerome, see you.
Yeah.
It's very tough taking your interview. I have to get down, and my legs. I've got a problem in my legs.
Yeah.
So we will meet some other time. Take care. आपका नाम क्या है?
बिल्लू गांधी वाला
मन्नू.
बिल्लू
बिल्लू. आप कहाँ के रहने वाले हो?
है
रहने वाले कहाँ?
राजस्थान
राजस्थान. अच्छा, ओके. मैं समझा आप यूपी वाले हो. तो ये कितने साल से कर रहे हैं आप?
हो गया 35 साल
35 साल हो गए. तुम्हारी उम्र क्या थी उस वक्त?
उम्र होगी अभी 50 की
अच्छा, तो राजस्थान में कहाँ हो आप? अलवार?
अलवा
हाँ, नहीं मैं गया हूँ. मैं अजमेर शरीफ वगैरह. अच्छा, ये इसको हाथ से बनाया?
कौन सा ये
या
नहीं, ये तो पहले बुजुर्गों का बनाया हुआ है मेरे हाथ.
अच्छा, आप दोबारा नहीं बना सकते. इसको क्या बोला आपने? ताड़ा.
ताड़ा
और आपकी कमाई हो जाती है?
अभी नहीं है.
नहीं ना, क्योंकि अभी वो मशीनें भी आ गई.
हाँ.
So this is a mattress guy. The cotton, he sorts out the cotton. I mean, I don't know how to explain it to you. And this is the instrument that he carries with me. इसका जरा आवाज़ सुनाइए ना. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया भाईजान. आपको तरक्की मिले, आपको सुकून मिले, चैन मिले. बहुत अच्छा है. और बाकी अब ये रहते कहाँ हो यहाँ बम्बई में? अच्छा, इधर ही रहते. और इसको लेके पूरा घूमते हो? पूरा. सुबह कितने बजे शुरू करते हो?
सुबह 9 बजे
और शाम को?
7.
चलो अच्छा है, मिलेंगे फिर बाद में. गुड मॉर्निंग. दिस इज शालिन वास and she is the most beautiful lady on Bandra Bazaar Road. For 40 years she's been feeding stray cats, and she does it with her money, but she'll really appreciate if people will donate some money to her. And in order to find her, all you have to do is come near bazaar. What time?
I come at 12.
She comes at 12 and you can hand it over to her. She really needs it because one thing is that she's recovered from a very serious illness. You have come out from a very serious illness now.
Arthritis.
She had arthritis and she's come out of it, and now she has to pay for a cab to make her move around. So I hope all you people in Bandra will help this beautiful lady. No. And if you want to meet her, all you have to do is come near the Bandra Bazaar
1 o'clock.
at 1 o'clock at the fish market and just hand it over to her. She will bless you and your family will live well. This is the dhoni of Ismail Shah Baba. And there is a Baba who doesn't want to take pictures, so I am shooting it from outside. And the Urus starts from 22nd, but I've just come a day earlier. This is the Dargah of Ismail Shah Baba. When I come here accidentally, I had some work in Dadar, so I thought I'll just shoot a video. And the Urus over here starts on the 22nd, 23rd and 24th. Video. So this is the Dargah that I've been shooting for many years. It's all being decorated. वो हुसैन साहब का किधर है? हुसैन चिश्ती साहब का ये है क्या आगे दरगाह? हुसैन साहब का किधर है दरगाह? जिनका उरस होने वाला है. So you have Nuri Baba, Ismail Shah Baba, various Babas here in this complex. And this is Nuri Baba's holy shrine. Hazrat Nuri Shah Baba. And this is Abdul Rahman Shah Baba. And this is Ismail Shah Baba. This is the main Dargah. And this is Hussain Chishti Baba, who will be celebrating his Urus on the 22nd, 23rd and 24th. The entire shrine is being renovated, decorated. This is Hussain Chishti Baba. This is Hazrat Sheikh Hussain Shah Baba Chishti. Hazrat Sheikh Hussain Shah Baba Chishti. This is the auspicious shrine, the holy shrine of this saint who will be celebrating his Urus in a few days. The Rafais have already come, the Kalandris have come. And the Urus will start. I mean, people will start coming on the 21st. People will start coming on the 21st. And the Urus will go on from 22nd. This is Hazrat Sheikh Hussain Shah Baba Chishti. So this is the Dargah of Ismail Shah Baba. हाँ ठीक है. The beauty about this dargah, it has a dormitory on the top that houses the patients and the patients' relatives who are being treated at Tata Cancer Hospital. And this dargah committee is doing a great work. They charge 50 rupees per person, along with the relative another 50 rupees. So in about 100 rupees, they give lodging and boarding. They give food twice a day. And this is the very important contribution to the cancer patients who come from all over India. And they're living on the top. There's a dormitory. And the Dargah committee takes care of them. And there's a very noble service, which I don't know if people are aware of it. I mean, a service that others should be doing, it is this dargah. And I am really, this is Hazrat Abdul Rahman Shah Baba's. This is Hazrat Noori Shah Baba written on the top. This is Hazrat Sheikh Hussain Shah Chishti Baba's shrine. And this is all at Parel. Very peaceful place. Absolutely peaceful. In the night it will get crowded. And as the days pass by, I mean from 21st onwards, there will be a huge crowd over here. Followers of these Babas, followers of Hussain Chishti Baba who will come here from all over and pay respects to the holy saint. I have been documenting this dargah for many years. And the monk who introduced me to this dargah many years back was late Sikandar Wali Baba. He brought me here and I began documenting this dargah. You can see the huge dargah. And then as time passed by, I started coming here more and more often. Thanks to my friend Khadim Nihal and many others here who helped me showcase this dargah. And I don't know what kind of a bond I have with this dargah, but there is a cosmic bond that brings me here. Whenever I come for some work at Dadar, at Hind Mata, I make sure to come and shoot this dargah. So right ahead at the corner is the dhuni of the Rafais, and these are ladies washing the vessels of the, and they may be connected to the cancer patients. Just hold this. ऐसे पकड़िए ना, ऐसे, नहीं ऐसे पकड़िए आप. So this is the dargah of Ismail Shah Baba that I have been documenting for many years. This is a very beautiful, peaceful dargah. This is a dargah that brings me here. I don't know why and how or when. It just happens. I'm pulled. I think it's a current. It's a kind of a cosmic current that brings me to this dargah at Parel. And I have been documenting it, as I explained, for many years. This dargah does a lot of good work, as I explained to you. It takes care of the cancer patients who are from Tata, and at a very nominal cost, living in Mumbai, at 50 rupees per person, they give 2 times food, they give shelter, and they really, really, really help and contribute to the integrity of Mumbai and the integrity of our country. Jai Hind. So this is Kadim Ali, Rafai, good friend of mine. और कादिम अली, आप किधर का रहने वाला है?
सैयद सलार मसूरे गाजी सरकार बहराइच।
अच्छा, और मुंबई में आके कितना दिन हो गया?
मुंबई में आके मिला जुला कर हो गया तुम्हारा 15-20 दिन।
अभी यहाँ से फिर हाजी मलंग जाएगा?
अब यहाँ से हाजी मलंग नहीं जाएंगे, यहाँ से सूरत जाएंगे, सूरत जाने का सफर ही है।
अच्छा, उधर क्या करेंगे?
वहाँ सूरत अपने काठियावाड़ गुजरात में मुस्तफ़ का खामगा दरगाह है, दरगाह का उर्स चालू है, वहाँ जाएंगे।
अच्छा, और उसके बाद अजमेर?
उसके बाद अजमेर जाना होगा जाएंगे, नहीं तो वहाँ आएंगे हाजी मलंग। क्या करें, भटक रहे हैं।
अकेले? आप अकेले हो?
अकेले है ना,
आपके साथ कोई नहीं है?
अकेले ही रह रहे हैं, मजे ले रहे हैं, अकेले ही ले रहा है, घूम के भटक रहा है।
और आपको मुंबई कैसा लग रहा है?
मुंबई नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है।
क्यों?
मुंबई में कोई रहम दिल का आदमी नहीं है।
अच्छा, रहम दिल का मतलब क्या होता है?
रहम दिल का मतलब चाहने वाला नहीं है कोई।
अच्छा, अच्छा एक बात सुनो, आप रफ़ाई क्यों बने? आप रफ़ाई क्यों बने?
ओ रफ़ाई पीरो मुर्तद, रफ़ाई काहे के लिए बना जाता है? पीरो मुर्तद के साथ साथ पीरो मुर्तद जन्नत और जहन्नम की बात रहता है, आखिरत का बात रहती है, आखिरत की बात रहती है। इसलिए आप हम लोग जो बाबा लोग हैं, रफ़ाई सिलसिले रहता है, कोई बानवा सिलसिला रहता है, कोई कादरी सिलसिली रहता है,
चिश्तिया,
कोई चिश्तिया रहता है,
कलंदरी,
कोई कलंदरी रहता है,
कोई
बानवा रहता है।
आप क्या हो?
हमारा तो रफ़ाई सिलसिला है।
आपका पीर कौन है?
हमारे पीर ईमान अली है।
और आपका मुर्शद?
ईमान अली है।
इनको लो ये या क्या करना है? चलो मिलते हैं फिर आपसे, कल आता हूँ। इधर देखो।
और मेरा पड़ेगी लेना नहीं तो छुट्टी तो जरूरी पड़ेगी है भाई हम सही बगला क्यों करूं हैं से भरने तो बगला
तो यूँ भी नहीं पता रहता भी लकड़ी कौन सी अच्छी थी कौन सी नहीं तो धागे लगाने बाद में लड़ते रहो फिर गए चल मेरे से ले लिए वो जब यूँ कह रहे फिर मैंने ठा के रखी लकड़ी और जो भी मेरी मैंने कहा सारी तुम मेरे को लो
कौन गया
अच्छी थी मैंने कहा जो लकड़ी मैंने ठा के लगाई वो कौन देगा फिर जब तुम यूँ कह रहे हो भी मेरी उसको रख लो क्या मैं दे दूँगा मैं खा के लग रहा तुम मुझे दे दिया अब ना बोल दो क्या है पैसे जो मेरी लकड़ी रही वही तो खा नहीं तो अपने हाथ से उठा के रख दो दवाई वो खाली लकड़ी करा दो तुम मेरी बता वो मेरी लकड़ी चलो मैं
कैसा है तुम भूल गया मेरे को भूल गया तुम अभी कहाँ जा रहे हैं
घर पे
ठीक है मिलते हैं बाद में जो साजिद भाई ये जो वाइट है वो, ये जो वाइट है उसको निकालना है आपको।
हाँ वो पेपर है वो सब निकालना है। बोलो ना भाई, बोलो ना साजिद भाई, तुम्हारा वीडियो नेट में डलेगा तो बोलो।
Assalamu alaikum. I am at the Dhoni of Ismail Shah Baba and I am with my Murshid, Sarkar Ali Baba, a very humble man. I have been documenting him for last 25 to 30 years. In the time that I have been documenting him, he has never asked me for money. He has never asked me for anything. And that is why I love him so much. And there are times he keeps helping poor people. And I don't know, I feel that I find so much of peace with Sarkar Ali Baba. Sarkar Ali Baba is one of his kind. Very simple man. और बाबा तबीयत कैसा है आपका? तबीयत कैसा है? अब यहाँ से आप कहाँ जाएंगे? अच्छा, पूरा चढ़ेंगे आप? पहाड़ चढ़ेंगे? अच्छा, गैबंशा बाबा। और वहाँ से? अच्छा, नहीं मैं आऊँगा मिलने आपको। मैं फरवरी में जा रहा हूँ कुंभ मेला, इलाहाबाद जा रहा हूँ। बाकी और कुछ बताइए। अब्दुल रहमान शाह बाबा का अच्छा हो गया आपका, वो धुनी भी अच्छा हो गया, नया धुनी नहीं, नया धुनी बहुत अच्छा हो गया।
नया धुनी भी और सरकार की मर्जी भी एक ही थी, क्योंकि उधर तो कोई जगह ही नहीं थी।
जी,
अब ये नया धुनी जो बना वो चार आदमी बैठ सकते है ना
जी,
नया धुनी ठीक रहा।
नहीं बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था वहाँ। और वो पहले धुनी से भी बड़ा है।
जगह भी
हाँ
प्राइवेट जगह है ना।
हाँ पता है।
वहाँ का कोई कायम नहीं है, समझ लो
जी,
कभी भी बदल सकता है। जगह बदलेगी, और रहमान की नहीं है वो जगह।
अच्छा,
वहाँ एक
प्राइवेट वाला पता है, मैंने बताया, वो हसनैन भाई बता रहे थे।
हाँ अच्छा कुछ नहीं करा मैं
बाकी आपको बता रहा हूँ, 2 दिन से आ रहा हूँ आपसे मिलने के लिए। 2 दिन से आ रहा हूँ। अभी आपका संदल किस दिन है? 23 को। 23 को। अस्सलाम वालेकुम हुजूर। हमारी मुलाकात कल आपसे हुई थी, लेकिन सितारे हमारे और आपके आज टकराए नहीं, मिल के आए। टकराते तो मैं इधर बैठा भी नहीं होता। इट इज़ अ ग्रेट प्लेजर टू मीट यू एंड टू listen to your words of wisdom. It's people like you, holy sage, people like you who have seen life, people like you who impart humanity more than religion. This is the beauty of Sufism. Sufism is not just spreading Islam. Sufism is about spreading humanity, spreading peace and spreading harmony and promoting Hindu-Muslim amity. कि हम लोग को सब साथ में रहना है। बाबा, just say a few words that you would like to say.
Actually, I am not able to say anything I have not thought. But yes, I am the follower of the humanity, and that's our word, that's why we are spreading unity in this country, great country, India, and we are here living together, and we have no sects, we have no religion, we have no any other, misunderstanding between us. Our goal is to promote humanity, and so that we can live a peaceful life there.
Baba, just one thing. Are you from Kashmir?
I am from Kashmir.
Which part of Kashmir are you
I am
from?
from Srinagar.
Srinagar.
Yes.
Okay.
And I am Fakir from the Madar family, and I am the southern Sailan from the Khadman. So I
Khadman,
was born here. And nowadays I am staying here in Parel. I don't know how long I will.
How long have you been staying in Parel?
Here is now 2-3 months.
Okay.
But I used to come here often.
Okay. No, you have a beautiful smile. आपका सुनिए जरा, आपके सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स जो है, पैर है, हाथ है, आपका मुस्कुराहट ने अलग जगह ली है.
That's our eyes belong.
That is Abbas Bhai is saying God's gift.
No, it depends on how people are looking to me.
No.
If they
You
have
are,
round
see,
their eyes, otherwise, I am just a normal human being.
I have documented the Madariya right from 2005. I became a Malagam in 2011 and I became a Khalifa in 2013. But
But I am very close to your Murshid
yeah.
and
Rafiq Bhai.
Yes, Master Ali Sain.
Yeah, Masir Vasai.
Yeah, and yes, I am within those fakirs trying to learn how.
How
to
far
live.
did you study?
Pardon?
How far did you study?
I. That's a personal question.
No, I'm just saying, did you, I mean, you,
Yeah, I can read, I can understand.
no, what I'm saying, you did university.
Yeah, of course.
That's what I'm asking. I'm not asking you personal question.
Yeah.
What I'm trying to say, a lot of people think that the Rafais or the Kalandri, they're not educated. What I'm saying, that you have educated yourself.
In Madar, we have a very educated person.
Yeah, I know that.
Because this is Jahil Fakir, खुद भी जहन्नम में जाएगा और अपने मानने वालों को भी जहन्नम में ले जाएगा.
सही कहा.
So we should have knowledge of Quran first of all. And then Quran is the basic book for humanity. It is not for Muslims.
Sir, I have one question to tell you, if you don't mind.
Yeah, please.
I am 68 years old. Whatever my background is, I come from a Shia background, and I started promoting the sweetness of Sufism from 2000. I mean, last 30 years, मैं Sufism को promote कर रहा हूँ, और I am very happy because all the Babas, they are all children of Ahle. I mean, they are part of Ahle Bait. But I have one small question. After having studied all the Kalandris and everybody, I have one question. Today's time, a Murshad or a Peer makes anybody a Murid without checking his background. I mean, is that right?
You know,
Answer me that.
no, actually that's not right. Because I am now Sadr Khalifa since a long time. I have no chela, I have no murid. Because,
They are not worthy.
no, I don't say I am not worthy or they are not worthy, but they cannot spend 24 hours with me. That's
I agree
what-
with you. I agree with you.
So I don't have anything except.
No, but you see the trend today.
The trend is there, my dear, what can we do? We are responsible for our.
But should they not change it? The people who are there,
It is so deeply rooted now, it needs a big.
no, there should be some accountability, no?
Time will come, don't worry.
क्योंकि मेरी बात सुनिए ना, आपने किसी को मुरीद बनाया, वो मुरीद है, वो उसको शिया लोग नहीं अच्छे लगते या उसको हिंदू लोग नहीं रखते, तो वो सूफीज्म में क्यों है?
This Sufism actually, Fakiri Sufism is somehow now separated.
You are the first person I'm asking these questions. मैंने कभी किसी से ये सवाल किए
No,
नहीं.
I am the student of Maulana Rumi Rahmatullah.
Same here.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
So
I'm a Mevlana too.
So whatever he taught us, my Murshid is also from the same category. He's from Turkey. So they have taught us the same. That's why it's right.
Thank you, sir, very much. God bless you. Now I'll tell you a small incident. There was an Englishman. His name was John Dixon. I am a poet. तो वो भी पोएट था. उनका नाम था जॉन डिक्सन, और वो मेवलाना सिलसिले से उसका ताल्लुक था, और उसका नाम था हाउलिंग दरवेश. ही वॉज वेरी गुड. और मेरा उसका बहुत अच्छा दोस्ती हो गया और वो मुंबई आने वाले थे और उनका इंतकाल हो गया. तो उन्हीं ने मुझे अपना खलीफा बनाया उस ज़माने में. सो माई ट्रेडिशन हैज़ बीन ऑलवेज थ्रू द रूमी सूफी सोसाइटी. थैंक यू. I am at the Dhuni of the Rafais at Ismail Shah Baba Dargah, Parel. And the reason I am here is because of the Urus of Hazrat Sheikh Hussain Shah Baba Chishti, a very eminent Sufi saint who holds a place of pride at Parel, along with the other saints Ismail Shah Baba, Noori Baba and Baghdadi Baba and various Babas. But Parel is a very beautiful place. You should visit Parel for one reason. It has a very important contribution to society. And this is the only dargah in India or in Mumbai that is doing a fantabulous work. I will tell you what it is. It gives a place to stay, accommodation, food to all the Tata cancer patients for 50 rupees. In Mumbai, nobody, not even the big actors like Akshay Kumar and Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, and all these Khans have ever done anything for the people. I'm not talking about Muslims, I'm talking about Mumbaikars, I'm talking about Indians. None of the actors have ever done anything for cancer patients. If all the actors get together, they can build a beautiful hospital and it could be the pride of India. You know, it could be a pride of India because this is what we need. And these Sufi people, these Sufi monks that I am shooting here today are people that are promoting peace. These are the people that are promoting Hindu-Muslim amity. And my biggest thing is nothing but that Hindus and Muslims should learn to live together. As Indians, our religion is a personal thing, but our living together is a community feeling. That is why I shoot Naga Sadhus. My Guru was a Naga Sadhu, my Guru is a Nagori. I have taken Diksha of a Nagori, so I am very comfortable. And this Baba here, he doesn't want to talk, but I hope he will talk and he will say something. कुछ तो कहिए आप. अच्छा. अब्बास भाई, मैं सवाल नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ आपसे कुछ मैसेज लोगों को दीजिए बस, और कुछ नहीं. अमन का या जो भी. ओके, ठीक है. And this is Fayaz Baba, my oldest friend. I have known him for last 30 years and I have shot him. And he is an amazing exponent of Zarb and Ratib. He's too good. I mean, he's really, really good. And if you see my old documentary of Shahsa Wali Rafais on flickr.com, you can see all his pictures. That is Niyamat Baba. He's another great man. Great in the sense, not because of money or anything, just because of his smile. And he is the owner of a jeweler stall at Mahim. So this is the Abbas Bhai. And that is my Murshad, Maula Ali Panjatan Park, Fakiri Chowk, Shahenshah Parel. Kingpin Don. And this is Dastagir Baba, whom I know around 30 years. Oh Baba. Yeah, I know.
They call Fakiri has been changed, transferred.
Abbas Bhai, just pick up that.
After 40 years.
Just pick up that.
Shifted.
And this is the Zanjeer of Zanjeer Wale Baba from Indore. It is lying here as a memory. It is a memory that is a great memory for me because Zanjeer Wale Baba was my greatest friend. And so with this I thank all of you.